How to start mining. Getting started with Bitcoin mining, exploring your options. Participating in the world of Bitcoin mining offers two avenues: embarking on home-based mining or outsourcing your mining activities to a specialized company. Each choice carries its own merits and drawbacks, but regardless of your decision, immersing yourself in a thorough understanding of Bitcoin mining is of paramount importance. While prominent companies with substantial investments dominate the realm of Bitcoin mining, individuals can still successfully mine from the comfort of their homes. It's worth noting, however, that mining demands specialized knowledge, cost-effective ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, effective cooling systems, affordable and steady electricity, and a reliable internet connection. Prior to embracing home-based mining, it's crucial to meticulously evaluate both the advantages and disadvantages to evade costly errors. Should you meet the prerequisites, home mining offers a KYC-free option. Additionally, the energy-intensive nature of Bitcoin mining results in significant heat generation. My own operation can get up to 116 degrees in the summer with cooling going full blast, so the heat is no joke. Yet, this excess heat can be harnessed for home heating purposes, presenting an unexpected benefit. I turned my own into a sauna with free weights and an exercise bike. When delving into home-based mining, two approaches are available: solo mining and pooled mining. Solo mining, the independent path. Solo mining, often referred to as DIY mining, entails miners utilizing their specialized hardware to independently search for blocks without joining a mining pool. In contrast to pooled miners who contribute computational power collectively, solo miners are self-reliant and operate autonomously. Solo miners earn rewards solely upon discovering a block themselves, reaping the block reward along with transaction fees. However, achieving this outcome is no simple feat in the current landscape, given the odds stacked against individual miners. Solo mining was notably viable during Bitcoin's early days when the difficulty threshold was lower. Nonetheless, this landscape has evolved. Notably, in January 2022, a solo miner defied all odds by successfully mining a valid block with a mere 120 TH and earning around $265,000 worth of Bitcoin at the time. As a solo miner, you can have many machines mining solo to increase your chances of mining a block, but it is still considered less profitable than pool mining. Though solo mining is generally considered less profitable now due to the near impossibility of earning block rewards, it remains a noteworthy option, particularly for utilizing ASIC machines to supplement daily expenses. Pooled mining, collaborative endeavors. Pooled mining enables individual miners to combine their hash power, effectively operating as a unified entity. Mining pools are decentralized groups coordinated by third parties, pooling hash power from miners worldwide and distributing resulting bitcoins proportionately. Pooled miners receive a more consistent income compared to those who anticipate sporadic substantial payouts. Selecting a Bitcoin pool can be challenging due to diverse options and historically opaque pricing. Exploring multiple options and conducting personal testing is advisable. Prominent mining pools include Luxor, Foundry, Slush Pool, Poolin, Mara Pool, and F2 Pool. Partnering with Bitcoin mining companies. Large-scale Bitcoin mining operations have established themselves as formidable players in the field, surpassing the capabilities of small home setups. These companies possess substantial resources, rendering them more competitive. Collaborating with such entities involves 1. Purchasing mining equipment from them and utilizing their facilities. 2. Acquiring a portion of their hash power. 3. Investing in the company itself. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons, as engaging with mining companies necessitates KYC information submission and incurs service fees. Furthermore, relinquishing control over the company's direction introduces potential risks. Diligent research is imperative before investing in a mining company. Several prominent mining companies include Iris Energy, Core Scientific, Riot Blockchain, Blockstream, and Hut 8 Mining. Selecting hardware for Bitcoin mining. When considering Bitcoin mining, the only viable hardware option for mining BTC is an ASIC device, renowned for its efficiency. I started out as a GPU miner and quickly moved to ASICs within a few months of uptime. Because of price and knowledge, I personally chose GPUs. Anybody that can build a computer can build a GPU miner, because they are essentially the same thing. Everything your desktop or laptop can do, so can a GPU miner. CPUs, GPUs, and advanced FPGAs are ill-suited for Bitcoin mining and are better suited for mining other coins. ASIC's efficiency rendered all other mining devices obsolete around 2013, producing a considerable disparity in hashing power. Hash rate, electricity consumption, and unit cost are critical factors to consider. ASIC profitability calculators can aid in evaluating hardware options. Understanding the economics of mining. Bitcoin mining economics hinge on factors such as location, electricity cost, and market conditions. Market fluctuations always impact mining profitability, GPU or ASIC, it doesn't matter. During bullish phases, higher Bitcoin prices result in more valuable mined coins. Yet, heightened competition mitigates profits. Similarly, bear markets reduce revenue until miners cease operations, restoring balance. Efficient miners prevail, necessitating location and hardware optimization. Mining with established pools is advisable, ensuring consistent returns. Conclusion: navigating Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining presents both potential rewards and risks. While financial and technical risks exist, careful management of power usage, heat generation, and equipment maintenance can mitigate issues. The choice between solo and pooled mining hinges on individual circumstances. Evaluating hardware, market conditions, and profitability dynamics is essential. Ultimately, Bitcoin mining's landscape warrants diligent research and an informed approach. For the average person, mining is not the way to go, mainly because of cost for equipment and electricity. The on-screen shot shows how much you may spend and make. If I was starting out today, I would look heavily into buying hashing power. If you don't have access to very cheap electricity, that's going to dig into profits. As a real-life example, before I got solar, 1 year of running 4 Antminer L3++ miners along with 3 GPU miners, 24 NVIDIA 3060s, the electric bill was almost $15,000, so I was forced into getting solar. Without solar, I would have had to quit mining. So, my point is, mining just isn't for everyone and it's expensive. Also, you should be aware that you could mine a coin that doesn't perform as planned or cover cost, and the whole thing is just one big expense. I'm not saying don't mine, but more be aware of what you are truly getting into. There are too many nuances to cover in such a short series as this one. To fully cover Bitcoin mining, I believe it would take at least 20 videos, and you still may come up short on knowledge.